Have you ever wondered how much impact home remodeling can have on real estate investment? Well, it's time to rethink the role of home renovation. No longer just an aesthetic pursuit, home remodeling has evolved into a strategic tool for boosting property value and luring potential buyers. In the ever-fluctuating world of real estate, traditional tactics are no longer sufficient. One must master the art of strategic home remodeling to remain competitive. To help us understand this better, let's refer to the National Association of Realtors 2022 Remodeling Impact Report. This comprehensive report shines a light on the financial and emotional metrics of home remodeling, offering invaluable insights into the strategic significance of this evolving field. It's no longer just about making a house look good. It's about understanding the intricate dynamics of the market and using remodeling to maximize return on investment. To illustrate the points made, let's delve into a specific case study. Imagine a property in need of a kitchen enhancement. The National Association of Realtors registered trademark 2022 Remodeling Impact Report shines a light on the kitchen as a critical area for interior remodeling. A full-scale kitchen remodel carries an average cost around $68,000. A seemingly daunting figure, but let's delve a little deeper. The report reveals a compelling 9 out of 10 score on the buyer appeal index for such remodels. More so, it offers an estimated cost recovery of 81%. For the savvy investor, these figures present a persuasive case for investing in properties requiring kitchen renovations. The robust cost recovery ratio promises not just a secure investment, but a potential profit. On the flip side, sellers can leverage these metrics to their advantage, highlighting kitchen remodels as a primary feature, thus broadening the pool of interested buyers. But the interior isn't the only aspect that matters. Let's look outside. Now consider a property that requires a new roof. The National Association of Realtors 2022 Remodeling Impact Report reveals that installing a new roof involves an average cost of about $7,500. However, this investment is far from a loss. In fact, new roofing scores a 9 out of 10 on the buyer appeal index and offers an astounding cost recovery rate of 107%. For investors, these figures paint a compelling picture. What might initially seem like a financial liability is actually a savvy investment with a promising return. Sellers, on the other hand, can leverage this data to strategically enhance their property's curb appeal, thereby raising its market value and gaining a competitive edge in the bustling real estate market. But there's more to remodeling than just financial metrics. Have you ever thought about the emotional satisfaction homeowners get from remodeling? A fascinating metric introduced in the report is the joy score, ingeniously designed to quantify this emotional gratification. The average joy score across all remodeling projects is a remarkable 9.6 out of 10. This suggests that a whopping 84% of homeowners experience increased contentment in their homes after a remodel, with 69% reporting an enhanced sense of enjoyment. But how does this translate into strategic advantages? Well, sellers can weave these emotional metrics into their marketing narratives. A remodeled home is not just functionally superior, but can also offer an emotionally enriching living experience. For investors, particularly those in the rental sector, understanding the emotional impact of remodeling can inform long-term investment strategies. A high joy score could potentially lead to extended tenant leases, reduced turnover, and increased rental yields. Now let's apply all these insights to a specific real estate market. Let's take a trip to Naples, Florida, where luxury properties dominate the real estate landscape. Here, the strategic significance of home remodeling is magnified. Financial metrics, such as cost recovery and buyer appeal, are even more critical. A full-scale kitchen remodel or a new roof not only increases property value, but also amplifies buyer interest. But don't forget the emotional metrics. In a market where luxury is standard, the joy score becomes an essential differentiator. A remodeled home in Naples isn't just about functionality or aesthetics. It's about the promise of an enhanced lifestyle and heightened enjoyment. For investors, understanding these aspects can provide a distinct competitive advantage. It can inform decisions about which properties to invest in and how to maximize returns. For sellers, it's about selling not just a property, but a dream. So, as you can see, Home remodeling can be a strategic lever in real estate, whether you're an investor or a seller.